Just trying to think of a funny joke. Can't think of one. We're doing bacon, egg, and cheese. That's what we're doing. No joke. I was gonna say what came first, chicken or the egg, or why the chicken crossed the road, but nothing. It's too early. It's rainy. No sun. I don't know. Anywho, we're just gonna start. We're gonna make homemade biscuits for the perfect bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. We got some Smithfield thick cut applewood bacon, eggs, cheddar because it's better. I got some sausage for the kids if they want sausage biscuits. I have here 2.5 cups of self-rising flour, and we're gonna sift that down. Shift it down. Into our blue bowl. What kind of weekend would it be if we're not kicking it off with damn biscuits? That's a good question. I'm not exactly sure. We got our oven already preheated for these biscuits at 400 degrees. I'm testing a theory about how to make the ultimate fluffiest biscuits. So that's my goal. Go with 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Switching it up a little bit today. So I'm just gonna do that. Drop it on in. And just blend it in with your flour. I'm gonna do a cup of buttermilk. We might do a little bit more, but we're just gonna start with 1 cup because we can always work it up. It's moist outside, it's raining, so the temperature might play an effect into it with the moisture in the air. So I just want to make sure. Do a little bit more. About a quarter. And go ahead and sprinkle flour on my countertop and put a little flour on my hands. Then we're just going to bring our dough out. Try to round it out. Get all those pieces pressed in with that moisture or liquid. A little flipping and flopping, playing with it. You're gonna get there. Get it how you want it. Now, if you want layered biscuits, you're just gonna keep folding it over, and you're gonna build those layers. Kind of want to like even them out, make sure you're gonna get the same like biscuit. Voila. See? So, take my dough and get back in. Now I've greased my baking dish. If you have a cast iron pan, do that. I don't, so I do it this way. And my oven's preheated at 400 degrees. All right, I got a baking sheet here. I'm gonna drop some bacon down. I'm gonna put my bacon in the oven at 300 degrees, or 350 degrees. I got some sausage links here. They're the Smithfield sausage links. I'm just gonna simple cut them into small little bites. We are making the ultimate bacon sauce, or the ultimate bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. So it's only to 1, 3, 4, 5. I'm just gonna whisk them. Alright, I turned the heat off on my oven and I turned the broil mode on. Make sure I get the tops good, because the bottoms are starting to brown a little bit. So I want those tops to brown a little bit. So you don't want to keep it on too long, you just want to keep an eye on them at that time, okay? And put a little bit of cheese in here with my eggs. These are the best looking biscuits I have made. Look at that. Look at those layers. That is phenomenal. The underside, the top. And I know what you're saying. Dad, we gotta see the inside. You're right. So let's check that inside out. Oh. You see enough little layers. So just pull it. So once the egg's up there, the egg is nice and hot. I'm gonna grab some of my Kobe cheese and cut it in half. Unless you think they deserve a whole slice of cheese. Yeah, hi. Hi. And look at the bacon! Bacon! A bacon! In the last 50 minutes, we've made homemade biscuits from scratch. We've made eggs, sausage, and a bacon. I get some strawberry jelly for mine. The ultimate bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. So let's try this thing. You gotta get the good hunch where you pop your shoulders up and do the lean in. Thank y'all for watching my video. I've improved my biscuit recipe, I think. It's linked below. Make them. Make biscuits. It's not expensive to make your own biscuits. It's not hard. Surprisingly, I used to think it was. So I can make biscuits fast now. So make your bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits, y'all. Oh, I love you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace! Cause it's time to eat!